Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how we can turn a desktop, for example here, my desktop, into a blended learning environment. So this is fairly simple. I just bring up iLearn. You see this on the right side. This is the iLearn interface. iLearn interface. You know, on the left side, you have a content areas. For this course, I just use simple list view now as physics 2A, the units. So I could turn this into a folder view so that you can see more things. For example, today we are going to talk about unit 1. Then from the folder view, you click this plus sign, you can see there are a few components inside the unit 1. And you also this icon, the folder icon here, so that will display course menu in a new window. So if you click here, you see you bring up a new window that you can adjust the size, and you can put it on the right side so that uh, you know you let's see, we can adjust it. Yeah, right. So here you can click on the plus sign of unit 1. It stretches so that you know what's going to be presented in this class. So you can also put up a notepad there and type in the notice to students, so students can see this, view it. Yeah, then they know what's being required for this course. Okay, so now we are just in iLearn with Echo 360 personal capture running in the background. The whole blended learning session on your desktop is captured. So now let's go into the course. For example, now let's click on this list view. We click on the course module, then we go to the course module. And the course module, if we click unit 1, then you see we could arrange the the settings so that the table of content will stay at the bottom of the page. However, you can readjust if you want to bring it to the side, to the left side. You see this arrow will do it, bring to the side, and bring it down, make it bigger, and make it smaller. This actually will make it really small. You just use the whole area for presenting content. So all right, so with that we can see also here we have the course path link. If you click here, you go to the first page, and we use the home page, course home, the iLearn homepage as the course homepage, because here students could see everything in a nutshell here, and pay attention to the things which are required for them, including my announcements, my calendar, what's new, and to do, and needs attention alerts. These are important things for to remind students that they should pay attention to. Okay, with that, if we will click to the units, we'll go to the unit, click, then to go to the first unit. So we can see this table of content of the first unit. There are a few components here. If we click on the first one, there's talking about instructor talking about the learning objectives with kind of YouTube video. So students click on the YouTube video and start to view.
I'm Walter Lubin. I will be your lecturer this term. In physics, we explore the very small to the very large. The very small is a small fraction of a proton, and the very large is the universe itself. They span 45 orders of magnitude, a 1 with 45 zeros. To express measurements quantitatively.
Okay, so now after learning objectives, students could easily paste to the pre-lecture forum by clicking on the picture or launch the forum. They go to the discussion area to discuss. Well, online discussions can be arranged into different formats. It could be the iLearn forums. It could be TA session, breakout sessions, Adobe Connect. Here for blended learning, we also use Adobe Connect together with iLearn. So that increases students' activities to also we'll have virtual office hour. We have breakout sessions, meetings, and online demonstration, whiteboard, and so on. So with these tools, then it's very easy to turn your face-to-face class in the classroom, as well as your desktop here, into a blended learning environment. So, for example, next part is about the course capture. This is actually a face-to-face class setting that is flipped, just captured and published onto the server and threaded into iLearn. So students just click to get into the lecture hall to pick up any part that they want to view. For example, if we click here, and you see here we have this launch the tool, and also now this is the class. It's so easy to get into the class, and you can rearrange the area so that and the slides, rearrange the slides, and here you could click on the scenes and stretch it out so that you can go to anywhere to find the part of the lecture that you need to view. So for example, here student want to see this slide, click on this slide, then they reach this time of teaching. The instructor is describing, explaining about this topic, and student can read through. Then student can even here with the navigation bar to go back and forth, slide back and forth to find the right portion to go to. So this is very authentic way to show the actual face-to-face teaching. So next we could show slides to students. reading materials. We use PDFs, but posted into the course on iLearn. So student click and immediately pick up the slides and start to read the content for this chapter. So after that, student could go to the TA virtual meeting. There, by launch the TA virtual meeting, students would go to Adobe Connect and type in the username and the password. Will go into the TA's virtual office hour or meetings, or whiteboard actual TA discussions. So with that, it's easy to engage students, to allow students to collaborate in breakout sessions, and also for them to interact with each other. So you could use this for meetings, for virtual office hour, and also for breakout sessions. So the TA could break out into student project groups. So they work on their projects, then they bring back to the main class their projects. So, and if TA has slides, then TA could also post the slides. So students could read the content. And we could also put up a mobile test, assessment, and quiz, surveys, all this into the units. But this one, we have a mobile test. The point is the students could launch it on their mobile devices, such as smartphone and tablets, iPad, and so on. So when they finish that, then they can review the whole thing. Let's see, okay, about this unit 1, the course contains so many units. We might go to another unit. So they either click here, or they could click the link up here, so they can go to the right place. So there, let's see, they go to the very first page, the course home module, and they click to go back to the content areas. Then they could click here to go to unit 2. So you can see with personal capture plus the iLearn learning environment, then we can turn our desktop into an easy and effective virtual learning, blended learning environment. So use this, you can save your time, as well as give students really rich content and very effective tools for them to learn the course. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. This is captured. Then when I stop, then it's